Hello, it's Amy Van Loo of Be Healthy Enough and my dog Whiskey. We were both wondering, have you joined us yet? 5 minutes for 5 days exercise challenge. I am so excited for you to experience the benefits of this free program. Increased energy, improved mood, stronger muscles, and most importantly, making your health a priority. Because it's a fact, when you get moving, you feel better. And when you feel better, you make better choices. It's that simple. So why don't you join Whiskey and me, he's in some of the videos, for this 5-minute challenge for 5 days. I've created some really effective and simple workouts so you can get up off that couch, get up off that chair, and get moving. Each morning for 5 days, you'll get an email with a short action plan and 1 or 2 unlocked 5-minute exercise routines. You complete the routine from the comfort of your own home on your own time. My promise is that all levels are welcome. I'll provide modifications to make the workouts more or less challenging depending on your needs, and you don't need much at all. Just a set of dumbbells, a mat, and a place to move. This series is 100% free. No contracts, no credit card info, no fine print. You will feel better. I want you to experience how good it feels to get moving in your own home and see the results you can get from just 5 minutes a day. I can't wait to see you soon. Bye.